Good day, future CPA! Welcome sa Chapter 5 ng Intermediate Accounting 3. Ang topic natin ngayon is Statement of Changes in Equity. Statement of Changes in Equity, ito yung financial statement ng isang entity na required i-prepare at the end of the reporting period together with other important financial document. So ano-ano nga ba yung nilalaman ng Statement of Changes in Equity? Una, yung effect ng changes in accounting policy, retrospective application or yung application ng bagong accounting principle as if yung principle or yung policy na yon ang laging ina-apply. And yung correction sa mga error ng prior period or yung retrospective restatement. Retrospective restatement is yung pagtatama sa recognition, measurement, and disclosures ng amount sa financial statement as if yung error is hindi nag-occur. Makikita rin natin dito yung total comprehensive income for the period. And kinakailangan din na ma-reconcile yung carrying amount at the beginning and at the end of the reporting period ng bawat component kung saan yung mga changes ay nanggaling sa profit or loss, other comprehensive income, and transaction with owners. Example nito is yung contributions and distributions sa owner. In short, the changes that are generally reflected in the equity statement includes the earned profits, dividends, inflow of equity, withdrawal of equity, net loss, and so on. Yung retrospective adjustment and restatement ay nire-record sa adjustment sa beginning balance ng retained earnings rather than as changes in equity over the time in the declaration of changes in equity. Yung class of contributed equity, yung cumulative balance ng bawat class ng other comprehensive income, and retained earnings, they are all example ng components of equity. Dito, yung dividends and yung related amount per share ay pwedeng i-disclose either sa Statement of Changes in Equity or sa notes. It is according and allowed by PAS 1. Yung changes in equity para sa mga owner ay pine-present sa changes in equity. Yung changes in equity ng mga non-owners ay pine-present and nire-record sa Statement of Comprehensive Income. Yung purpose nito is magkaroon ng mas maayos na information by categorizing yung items ng mga same characteristic and i-separate yung items na may different characteristic. Sa illustration for preparation of Statement of Changes in Equity, Entity A's equity as of December 2000 consists of the following. So, noong 2000X1, Entity A reported profit of 200,000 and total comprehensive income of 220,000. Noong 2000X2, Entity A issued additional shares with aggregated par value of 500,000. Entity A reported other comprehensive income of 50,000 and total comprehensive income of 350,000. Entity A declared dividends of 100,000. The record for 2000X1 may reported profit daw na 200,000. So ilalagay natin to as profit for the year under retained earnings. And yung total comprehensive income daw is 220,000. May difference na 20,000 so ilalagay natin yung 20,000 as other comprehensive income under revaluation surplus. So the balance for December 31, 2000X1 is 1 million for share capital, 900,000 for retained earnings, 320,000 for revaluation surplus, with a total of 2,220,000. For 2000X2, yung first transaction same lang sa 2000X1. We record 300,000 for retained earnings, 50,000 for revaluation surplus, with a total comprehensive income of 350,000. Next transaction, nag-issue ng additional shares si Entity A na 500,000, so we record it under share capital. And last, nag-declare ng 100,000 dividends, kaya ililess natin yung amount sa retained earnings. So the balance for the year ended December 31, 2000X2 is 1,500,000 for share capital, retained earnings of 1,100,000, revaluation surplus of 370,000 with a total of 2,970,000. Para naman sa illustration natin sa shareholders' equity, the ledger of ABC Company includes the following. Merong share capital, share premium, retained earnings appropriated, revaluation surplus, gain sa remeasurement of the net defined benefit liability, cumulative net unrealized gain on fair value changes of investment, effective portion of losses on hedging instrument in the cash flow hedge, cumulative translation loss on foreign operation and treasury shares at cost. For this illustration, we will just deduct the amount of effective portion of losses on hedging instrument in a cash flow hedge, which is 10,000. Also, we will deduct the amount of 5,000 for the cumulative translation loss on foreign operation and less din yung treasury shares at cost, which is 13,000. So we will have the total shareholders' equity of 220,000. And that ends our brief discussion for statement of changes in equity. Thank you!